Here we are doing my outdoor test for my TX100V. It's pretty nice. Well, we're gonna ride it though. It's here. Start by going down. Oh, guess who's back? The annoying fan is back on. Let's go to 2R. It looks pretty nice, but the fans sounded very annoying because they turn it back on for no reason. Here's the second floor. Let's go down to street level. These fixtures are like very hard to press. I didn't want to know if I bring my Innovation 513, but I'm not sure. Here's your certificate. Capacity on this is 2,300. Screw that, this is a no smoking elevator. And there's your blue indicator. And that's it.